What's up guys, William James here, and in this video we're going to talk about the real reason why it isn't working for you. So if you're struggling as a network marketer, affiliate marketer, a course creator, somebody who's building a home business, and it's just not working, you're not getting traction, people aren't buying, there's probably a reason behind why it isn't working for you that almost no one is talking about, and I'm going to break that down for you in this video, so stay tuned. So if you're new to the channel, again, my name is William James. I do videos for affiliate marketers, network marketers, course creators, home business entrepreneurs, people who are growing businesses using free Facebook strategies. I specialize in free organic Facebook traffic strategies. I have a free Facebook group where I teach all of those, all the ins and outs of the Facebook algorithm, how to get an enormous audience, tons of engagement, how to turn that into sales on a daily basis, just using your Facebook profile. So if you're not already in my group, check out the link below to join my group, completely free. And as well, check out some of the offers that I promote down under there as well. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and please subscribe to the channel. So with that said, guys, let's dive in. The real reason why it isn't working for you and what you can do about it, some really actionable steps that you can take to fix this problem. So when I talk about this, I speak from experience because I started doing affiliate marketing back in 2011, and I struggled until 2018 to actually make any sales. And looking back on it, there's really one reason why I was struggling, and then why I stopped struggling. There was one thing that kind of clicked in my head and made the difference between me struggling and me starting to make sales that I was able to leverage into actually a full-time living. So that thing that made the difference is finally understanding the importance of the know, like, and trust factor. Now, I know when you hear that, you're going to probably think, oh God, yeah, I already know this. I already know this, right? People talk about the know, like, and trust factor all the time. And I remember for years, I would hear, people that I was following talking about, oh, you've got to get people to know, like, and trust you. And I was like, yeah, that's cool. Not really sure how to do that. And that was it. I would move on in my mind. I would forget about it. And it wasn't until I realized that that is actually the whole thing. That's 90% of how this works, is the know, like, and trust factor. That was when everything shifted. So the reason for that is it doesn't matter how cool your product is. It doesn't matter how great your offer is. If nobody knows who you are and they don't trust you, they're not going to buy, right? Anyone who has tried running cold traffic to a sales page knows this. People who don't know anything about you, seeing a sales page, they're just never going to buy anything, right? People in this industry buy from people that they know, like, and trust because they want to work with people that they know, like, and trust. This is partly because there's so much out there that just doesn't deliver. There's so many empty promises in this world of online marketing. People have been duped so many times and lost so much money that they're not going to just buy from somebody that they don't know, right? It's a very trust-based industry. You have to earn people's trust in order for them to buy from you, right? Now I see this all the time with even really, really good offers at really low price points. I promote this company called Textbot, as I'm sure you know. Fantastic offer. And I have people all the time that I've brought into Textbot, and they go out and they try to promote it. And they're like, well, it's not working. And I tell them, well, the main thing, guys, is that I'm promoting this to people who know me. I've created a warm market on Facebook. I've created an audience that respects me and that trusts me. And if you haven't done that work, even if you're promoting a fantastic offer like Textbot, it's going to be a lot harder than it is for someone like me to go out and promote to an audience that like knows, likes, and trusts me and is interested in what I have to say. Yeah. So then the question is like, well, how do you do this? And there's a big misunderstanding that's at the root of this problem, I think, which I'm going to try to address, which is that I think the majority of people in the affiliate marketing space, especially people who are doing free strategies, they think that this is like a sales business model and a features and benefits business model, but it's not. This is a leadership and teaching business model, right? This business model is about leading other people, and that is based on communication. So if you're a person who's just unable or unwilling to communicate with people, whether, one-on-one speaking, through texts, through, video, through email, whatever, in some way, if you just can't do that or you're not willing to do it, this is not the industry for you. Okay? This is a communication, teaching, and leadership industry. And like most people just don't get that. And what that results in, the result of not understanding that, is people grab an offer or they join a network marketing company or whatever, and they go out on Facebook and they post like random stuff on their Facebook, and then they message a few people and they say like, hey, I've got this amazing opportunity, you should check it out. And then they send them to some video of some guy the person's never heard of talking for like 2 hours about their supplement business, and nobody's interested. And it's like, well, duh. Course nobody's interested. That's not how you do this. Right? I mean, or they're like too scared of communicating to ever reach out to anyone at all. So there's the people, like probably 90% of the people in the home-based business industry just never do anything at all. They just join and they do nothing and then they quit, right? And then there's the people who do something. And typically it's like something that doesn't work very well, right? Like posting in really big MLM Facebook groups. Like, hey, join my business, there's the link. Like, that just doesn't work. That's what so many people do. Or, messaging a few people and trying to spam them their link. Or, trying to start conversations without any knowledge or understanding of how to actually make sales via talking to a human being, right? And then they either just chase their tails in circles talking about the weather, or, they start spamming the person. What's the point here? All of these people are missing the crucial component of all this, which is that we are not salespeople. We are influencers. Our job is the same as somebody who's on Instagram or YouTube who is an influencer, right? Like, here's an example. Okay, so there's a guy named Julius Dean. He's a magician. I followed him on Instagram recently. Fantastic magician. He creates these funny little clips of him like performing magic tricks at parties and stuff. He's got like 6.5 million followers. Okay. He's got a course teaching you how to do magic. He's really awesome, by the way. You should check him out. Point is, what he's doing is the exact same thing as what affiliate marketers should be doing, which is he's building an audience of people that dig what he does. And the way that he does that is by creating content on his Instagram that's going to get their attention, that they're going to enjoy. See, the problem with most affiliate marketers is that they're not doing anything to get or keep people's attention, let alone getting people to know, like, and trust them, right? So if you want to do this, you have to understand first and foremost that you've got to be willing to communicate with people, and you have to have an actual day-to-day strategy of how to move someone or many people a day from not knowing who you are to being a fan of yours, to being a follower in the true sense, someone who is interested in actually wanting to consume your content. Now, the best and easiest and simplest way to do this is by creating a free Facebook group. Now, there's tons of people online now who have free Facebook groups, and there's like nobody in them and nothing in them, and they don't work, right? So it's not like just creating a Facebook group is the ticket. There's how to, right? I mean, there's a set of skills and things that you need to do to make a Facebook group work. If you want to learn how to do this, by the way, there's 2 courses that I recommend that are phenomenal courses that basically allowed me to grow my Facebook group into the main asset of my business. My Facebook group is like my secret weapon, guys. I don't talk about this a lot on my videos, but building my Facebook group and how I've managed my Facebook group to be super engaged is my secret weapon. Okay? Because it allows people to get to know, like, and trust me. Most likely you're watching this video because you're in my Facebook group. And when you join my Facebook group, you were added to my email list, right? And so you get my emails. And you probably open my emails because you know who I am, because you're in my Facebook group. And you open my emails and you click on the links, and here it is. A video comes up and you're watching it because you know me. And every second that you spend watching my videos, you get to know me a little bit better. See, that's how this works. I know that my main job is to try to get as many people as possible to spend as much time as possible consuming my content. Because the more time they spend with me on video, reading my emails, reading my posts on Facebook, whatever the case may be, the more time they spend with me and my words and my thoughts, the more they're going to get to know, like, and trust me. Okay? So that's most of what I put my energy on. So if you want to do that, there's a link below with all my recommended offers. Click that. The first 2 things in that page are courses that teach you how to do this. I cannot recommend this highly enough. It is the best way to build a business with free strategies is building a free Facebook group and doing it the right way, because you build a audience of true fans that then you can go out to and simply mention offers, and because they know, like, and trust you, they're going to look at them and they're actually going to watch the videos. They're actually going to take an interest. And if you're promoting good quality offers, people are going to buy things. And that's how this works, guys. So the main reason that you are not succeeding, if you're not succeeding, is probably this. It's probably that you have not been putting enough of your energy towards building an audience of people that know, like, and trust you. And the best way to do that is a Facebook group. Building an audience, giving them a ton of value, expecting nothing in return. That is the key. It seems like some kind of hokey out there, like, spiritual thing, you know, put positive vibes into the universe and you will be rewarded in turn. No. It's very practical. It's like, you're not going to get anyone's attention unless you give them some reason to pay attention to you. What reason is there to pay attention to you? Well, you have to be teaching them value, giving them something that's going to help them where they are. If you do that, they're paying attention. And the more time they spend with you getting value, the more they're going to feel like they know you as a person. And if they feel that they know you and they've gotten value from you, that means that they will automatically start to like you and trust you. Okay, that's how this works. And if you do that on a consistent basis, you're building this group of people who's actually paying attention to you. And all you have to do then is match up offers with that group of people that actually meet them. So, for instance, what I'm doing right now, right? If you are in this position where you're struggling with this problem and you're watching this video because this is a problem that you have, I'm now offering you a solution to that, which is there are 2 courses, which are fantastic. Pick one of them. They're both great. Okay. I promise you, you will learn how to do this properly, the ins and outs, the right way to do it. This is what made the difference between me being, not super successful and me building a really profitable Facebook group that is my main asset in my business. Okay. So click the link below, check out those courses. I offer free one-on-one coaching to anyone who buys those as well. Okay. So if you want to work with me directly, one-on-one to build your Facebook group and make sure that it actually works and it's profitable, click below. That about wraps this up, guys. It's not super complicated, but almost no one is focusing on the right thing here. Yeah. So stop worrying about selling stuff. Start worrying about becoming a person of value, becoming a leader, becoming a teacher, stepping into your personal power as a leader, getting over your own subconscious fears and bullshit, telling you that you can't and why would anyone listen to me and all this kind of stuff. Just put that aside. Step into a leadership role, because this is a leadership and teaching business model. It's about finding people that know less than you do and teaching them something and bringing them along on this journey, and then offering them, showing them things that can help them along the way. That's how you make money. Okay. Hope that makes sense, guys. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. And yeah, if you want to check out those courses, click the link below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.